show the use case of tools and introduction to the user dashboards. Click on user, enter a user login. With successful login, you will see that dashboard for the user. You will see that there's a tools page and there's a database page. In the database page, the user can see all the datasets that have been registered for use. In the tools page, you can see the various tools over here. We'll begin with the annotation tool. In the annotation tool, here first you have to select a database, let's say an unlabeled database. You have to give it a descriptive label, let's say annotation trials 1. Then here you can see an image. So for each image, you can click once to select, click again to deselect it. And on the third click, you can view the image. You can zoom in, zoom out to see the image clearly. Click on X clause. Now, what we'll do is we'll add a label for the image. So now we'll add a truck label. Select the truck label, select the images for it. Go down, click to add dataset. What this will do is this will create a collection of the images with the labels. Now, now what we'll do is we'll add more labels for this. So let's say if I add a dog, add a label, click on the label, select on the dog images that we have. One in this case, click add to database. Now in this, you can see that there is a load more option. In the load more option, what it does, it loads certain more images on the click. Below this, you'll see that they have added more images. Now here again, we see another dog image. Just click on it, have the label selected, add to database. We'll try it with one more label. So in this case, we'll add a bird label. Add label, bird. While adding the label, be sure that you are typing the words correctly because then they would be stored as the words and the keys that you have pressed. We select all the birds in our database. Now add to dataset. If you see all the images that have been blackened, that is because they have been selected and they have been uploaded as part of the dataset. Now, once you've finished adding the certain number of images as you require to the annotation database, click on submit and you will see a toaster saying that the label data is added successfully. Now just go back and you can begin again with another dataset and another descriptive label. Ensure that the descriptive labels are unique for each annotation dataset.